Thank you people for watching this video. After watching this video, I hope you understand what bubble sort is. So before going to bubble sort, let's quickly understand what sorting is. So sorting is basically arranging numbers in a particular order, and that order is generally ascending order. So it starts with the lowest number and goes up to the biggest number, right? So with bubble sort, what happens is it attaches the position. The largest number is fixed to its position first, and then the smaller number than that, and it goes on. You'll understand this after we see an example. So let's quickly take some numbers. As you can see, I have already taken some numbers. It's 4, 8, 3, 5, 9, 7, right? I have taken it in this order. So how does basically bubble sort work? So it starts with the first number, that is 4. It compares with 8. As 8 is bigger than 4, it doesn't swap, it stays as it is. Now 8 is compared with 3. Now as 8 is bigger than 3, 8 gets replaced with 3 and 3 gets replaced with 8. Now 8 is compared with 5. Again 8 is bigger than 5, so 5 gets replaced with 8, 8 gets replaced with 5. 8 and 9 are compared now. As 9 is bigger, no swapping takes place. Now 9 and 7 are compared, so 9 is bigger, so it gets swapped with 7. So this is the position of the list after pass 1. Now same is being taken for the second pass. If we'll take the same list again. See, now for the second pass, what happens is 4 is compared with 3. Now as 4 is bigger, 3 and 4 are interchanged. Now 4 is compared with 5. 5 is bigger, the list remains as it is. 5 is compared with 8. List remains as it is. 8 is compared with 7. Now as 8 is bigger than 7, the positions gets interchanged. And remember, in the second pass it doesn't compare with, it is not compared with the last element 9, because it has already been placed at its correct position. So it doesn't compare 8 with 9. So now 8 is at its correct position. So this is the position of the list, the array, after pass 2. Similarly, for the third pass, it compares in the same way. Now 3 is greater than 4, no, then no interchanging happens. 4 is greater than 5, no. 5 is greater than 7, no. So 7 is at its position now. So this is the position of the list after pass 3. After pass 4 also it remains the same, because now it compares 3 with 4. 4 is greater, it compares 4 with 5. 5 is greater, so the list remains as it is. And you can see that the number 7 is already placed in its fixed position, so the position is correct, so it doesn't compare 5 with 7 anyhow. So now finally in the fifth pass, 3 is compared with 4. 3 is compared with 4. As 4 is bigger than 3, no swapping takes place. So this is the final position of the list after fifth pass. Okay, you can see after second pass itself the list is already sorted, but still we have to make 5 passes, because sometimes the numbers are complicated and it would require all the passes. So in this case, in this example, it was sorted already, in the second pass itself. The number of passes depends on the number of elements. So as you can see here, the number of elements here are 6, therefore the number of passes which you took was 5. So if there are n numbers in the list, then the number of passes it would take would be n minus 1, right? So this is the rule for bubble sort. Also, the complexity of the algorithm is big O of n square. This is because if you see the code of bubble sort, there are 2 loops inside there. So we compare for the 2 loops we compare every element with every other element. So therefore it takes 2 loops. Also here the n is number of elements in the list, correct? So if we consider this example, then the complexity would be around big O raised to 36, correct? Because there are 6 elements, 6 square is 36, so it would take around 36 passes. It would take around 36 comparisons to solve this, and this is the maximum, as you know, big O. So I hope you have understood what bubble sort is, and thank you for watching. And if you feel anything wrong, if you like something in this video, please comment. If you don't like anything in this video, please feel free to comment on this. I would be glad to know the feedbacks from you. Thank you. Bye.